Introduce highlight features of Yansoo dash cam, front and rear 1080p, FHD DVR, car camera 3-inch IPS dashboard camera for car. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The high-performance chipset can record video with a resolution of up to 1920 x 1080p, and clearly capture license plates and road signs. The low-profile design makes it a hidden witness on the road ahead. Recording from two separate perspectives by connecting the included front camera to the rear camera, it can provide you with all-round protection. The Yansoo dashcam uses Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor, which improves the low-light sensitivity and allows clear imaging in low-light environments. The combination of f1.8 large aperture and 6 glass lens, professional WDR, HDR technology helps to retain details in high-contrast light, which means even in low light conditions can deliver artful images. The 170 degrees wide-angle front view easily covers 4 lanes, while the 150 degrees waterproof rear camera monitors the road behind the vehicle to ensure no blind spots on the road. Seamless loop recording automatically overwrites the oldest file to save the current one, never miss any moment. The G-sensor can emergency lock the video in the event of an accident to prevent important files from being overwritten and keep you away from driving disputes. The car dashboard camera has f1.8 aperture, the largest in the industry, 24-hour parking monitoring, motion detection, wide-angle lens, sensitive G-sensor, loop recording, emergency video lock, reverse guidance and others. Supports up to 32 GB micro SD card, note, memory card not included. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.